stroke of luck for you and your career, if you get my drift.
I get it, Mr. Inspector, and
Frankly, I would have picked a more prestigious school.
I can assure you, Mr. School Inspector, that you will not regret it.
You'll regret it if this experiment is a flop. I'll be waiting for your report, Mr. Leon.
Who can think of another machine that does man's work for him?
A vacuum cleaner?
Fantastic! Our school has been chosen for an exciting teaching experiment. Allow me to introduce the Cyber Teacher.
Oh? No!
Whoa.
What's this thing for, Mr. Leon?
This robot is the future of modern teaching.
He looks more like the future of the tin can, sir.
This ultra-state-of-the-art machine performs many tasks to help Miss Bridget with her lessons, or help one of you kids with a difficult exercise. It could even replace you, Miss Bridget.
Oh!
I'm joking, of course. And he can speak. Try hitting this button, Miss Bridget.
I'm not too keen on mechanical devices, you know.
Now, don't be shy.
Hello, Miss Bridget.
Brilliant, isn't he? The Cyber Teacher is going to stay and teach with Miss Bridget. I expect you to make him feel at home. This experiment is very important for our school, you know. I have a report to write.
Eliot, can a robot replace a teacher?
Talking in class.
Hey, this Cyber 10 is pestering me.
Miss, that machine isn't going to replace you, is it?
Oh, of course not, Mimi. I didn't say that machines can replace people.
No talking in class.
But I'm teaching this lesson. No, machines are only there to help people do their jobs.
Really? Whose jobs?
Oh, man.
But what about robots? Who's supposed to do their work?
Well, in fact, that's the robot's work.
And what about you? Have you done your homework? Right, I must not interrupt my Cyber Teacher 135,000 times!
But I didn't interrupt you.
Poor Miss Bridget. This is horrible. I hate that Cyber 10.
Yeah, Mimi, let's grab a tin opener and cut him into little pieces. He's too strong for that. We need a plan to get rid of him.
Look at this! Isn't he great?
Mom, Dad, at school, Mr. Leon has...
Cyber Teacher! He's already being tested at school. If he's a success, he'll soon be introduced in schools all over the world. Isn't my Cyber Teacher super fantastic, Eliot?
No! I hate all robots! What got into you? Why did you invent that mean machine?
Eliot, what about your snack?
Mom made this for you. Thanks, Susie.
You know, Eliot, you hurt Dad's feelings when you told him you didn't like his robot. I know it's mega ugly, but I'm sure he meant well.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, my Cyber Teacher is only a prototype, but that's no reason for blowing a fuse like that.
Maybe you should go up there, wish him a good night, and talk things over.
Good night, children.
I'm sorry, Dad. I'm not really angry with you. I know you didn't do it on purpose.
Yes, my invention may need a bit of fine-tuning, and...
He's crazy. He almost attacked our teacher.
Listen, Eliot, tomorrow morning I'll check my prototype and then come and sort out the one at school. Promise.
Right. If you're okay, can we turn the lights off now?
Good night, children.
Susie, I've got a plan to fix Dad's mistake. Okay, I have to go.
But, Eliot, you haven't eaten a thing.
Bye.
What was Eliot muttering about, Susie?
Oh, it must be my Cyber Teacher again. I'd better go and check the prototype. My Cyber Teacher! Where is my Cyber Teacher?
Mimi, isn't Eliot coming to school today? But what's wrong with that rotten gizmo?
Late student alert! Late student alert! Late student alert!
Elliot, hurry up. Go and sit at your desk.
Late student alert! Late student alert!
You're not going to short circuit over a silly thing like a pupil being late, are you?
No talking in class!
But, oh, put a sock in it.
Sock, common noun, footwear, examples, cotton sock, woolen sock, linen sock, Christmas sock.
Right. I've got a plan to rid Miss Bridget of the cyber teacher. Come here. And no noise, okay? Don't shout. This is my dad's prototype.
Oh, he almost scared me. I thought he was another cyber teacher. But what's a prototype?
I know. It's the same robot, only it's not finished. Come to think of it, the other one doesn't look all that finished either.
Well, in fact, they're twins. That's the plan. A fight between the two robots. And seeing they're exactly the same, number one will smash number two, and number two will smash number one.
I don't get it.
Figure you measure up to me. I'm better at measuring than you are. So what's the distance between the Earth and the Moon? 384,403 kilometers. And what's the distance between my fist and your nose? 0.
Come along, Eliot. It's getting really dangerous.
So, my dear, how are you getting on with the cyber teacher? Isn't he fantastic?
Well, it's all very new and a little, unsettling.
I'm sure you'll soon get used to it.
Oh.
They're friends.
Give me a hug, honey bug. Let it rip, microchip.
Oh, no! Now there are two of them. But how is that possible?
The square root of 2,534,237.
Quite easy. Put down 2 and carry 1.
Stop! Leave her alone!
I knew it. Eliot, we'll speak about this at home. But first, I've got to pick up my prototype.
But which one is the mock-up, Mr. Kid?
That one, I think.
Mock up yourself.
Okay, now let's go.
And you, Eliot, in my office immediately.
I am not a mock-up. I am not a mock-up.
Whether you like it or not, the cyber teacher experiment must be successful. I've got a report to write. Now back to your classroom.
Oh, I'm sick and tired of that tin can. Eliot, get back to your seat.
Mr. Leon wants to see you in his office.
No need for a checkup.
We'll see about that. Hang on a sec. Where's my number 12 spanner?
Number 12 spanner, a primitive tool for general mechanics.
Shut your trap a sec. Where's that blasted spanner gone to?
Now that Miss Bridget is safely out of his reach, we can get rid of the cyber teacher. We'll ask him nonsense questions that he can't know the answers to.
History! How many planes were there in Julius Caesar's army?
12, 2 of them were bombers.
Science! How long does it take to punch holes in a Swiss cheese
1
wheel?
hour, 22 minutes and 16 seconds.
Spelling! Is giraffe spelled with 1 or 2 K's?
One, except in plural. In this case, there are 2.
That clubby robot knows all the answers, and his answers are even sillier than Eliot's questions.
Intruder detected. Activate anti-nosy Parker liquid. Ugh! You're getting on my nerves, you pudding head!
I never asked Miss Bridget to come to my office.
But Mr. Leon, I did it to save the teacher. The robot keeps on attacking her.
But that's bad. What am I going to write in my report? Oh, Mr. School Inspector, how are you? School's over already? But what time is it exactly? No.
It is precisely 5 p.m., 0 minutes, 3 seconds, and 5 tenths. Oh, no, wrong answer. It is precisely 5 p.m., 0 minutes, 5 seconds, and 8 tenths.
Oh no, wrong answer. It is precisely 5 p.m. 0 minutes, 8 seconds, and 2 tenths.
Oh, no, wrong answer. It is precisely 5 p.m., 0.
Yes, quite, Mr. Leon. There was a tiny fine-tuning problem. What do you mean, exploded?
Yes, indeed.
Eliot, what happened to the cyber teacher?
You should ask Mr. Leon. What's the exact time?
It is precisely 5 p.m., 22 minutes, and 14 seconds. Wrong answer.
My cyber teacher! Perhaps it wasn't such a good idea after all.
You know, Jeremy, a robot will never replace a Miss Bridget.
I guess you're right, darling. Oh, I got a better idea. A cyber mom!